What is something you can't forgive your parents for no matter how you try? I was around 12 years old when my mom got pregnant by my stepdad after many attempts. We were overjoyed by the news. Being an only child, I had always wanted a sibling or two. I remember at the age of 4 or 5, trying to get other kids to come home with me so they could become my siblings. This baby was deeply desired. However, a few weeks into the pregnancy, complications started. My stepdad, being an ER doctor, wasn't home, and nobody seemed to take my mom's pregnancy issues seriously. She began to experience fever and spotting. I did my best to support her, but eventually, she had a miscarriage. We grieved deeply. What came next was even more difficult. My mother was under intense stress and began to unfairly blame me for things I hadn't done, and shockingly, she kicked me out at 12. I reached out to my dad, who was typically drunk. He picked me up and asked, "What did you screw up this time?" This event seems to have been forgotten by my parents, but I can't let it go. I should also mention that my mom and stepdad had escaped from a violent, nasty cult in San Francisco. At that point, my childhood was an absolute disaster.